first part of it is about taking the assessment, which is approximately 80 questions and takes around about 20 minutes to complete. Now, the questions are aimed at establishing what we call your voice order. 5 voices, hence the name, but establishing in particular your 2 foundational voices, which are your first and second voices.
People are, I think, gobsmacked how accurate the results are, and that 80 question assessment can actually give you an accurate voice order when you answer the questions honestly based on who you really are as a person, not who you are in the job that you do. And I think it's, most of us are actually very unaware of how we behave and act externally. And when you complete the assessment, you unlock this unique 5 Voices video series based on your exact voice order, and the videos are delivered by a person with the exact same voice order as you. And when you start watching your videos, you think, how did this person know this all about me? And it's really empowering to understand more about yourself, what it's like, how other people experience you, because then that actually helps you understand the changes that you make in your behavior, in your communication style, in how you lead.